everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be testing out a eyelash and perming kit, and it's the very first time I've ever done it before. Haven't tried any other kits before, nothing, and I was really curious in seeing how this would work, because if you've been following me for a long while, you will know I have got issues with my lashes. They are so short. They're thin and they're straight as well, so they are a bit of a nightmare to curl anyway. But even with mascara on, you can hardly see that I have got lashes, just like little stumps. Diablo got in touch with me a couple of weeks ago asking if I'd be interested in testing their kit out, and I just thought, oh, okay then, I'll give this a go. I was fully expecting it to fail. Even while I was applying it, as you will see through this video, I was expecting it to fail and not work. I just thought, how the heck can it work on my really short lashes? Because I was having trouble sticking them to the pads and everything. You will see this as the video goes on. But no, I'm impressed. I am impressed, but there's a few things that need to change for next time, etc., which I'll tell you at the end. So this kit is retailed at £58, but they currently got a sale on their website. You can get it for £29 and they ship worldwide. So in each perming kit, there's enough solutions to be able to carry out 10 different applications, and they say this kit is perfect for short and straight lashes. The solutions are natural and irritant free that contain hydrating and conditioning ingredients to remain nourished and flake free. From start to finish, it will take you just under an hour, and the more you get used to it, obviously that time will come down a little bit. And they say that lashes remain lifted for up to 2 months. So that was all the information I found out about this kit, and also the information on the back there, which I'll be reading throughout the video. I didn't want to read any other reviews, and I didn't want to watch any other YouTube videos, because I wanted to do this video based on me being me, a little bit scatty. I wanted to see how easy it was for me to follow these instructions, so then basically if I can do it, anyone can do it. This is what you receive. So in this box you've got lash combs, and this is what they look like. There's 3 of them in there. They're a little bit weird. They are a little bit weird. See, the comb is right at the top there. And in all honesty, when I do this again now, next month or so, I'm going to be using my own little brush. I just found these a little bit fiddly. There wasn't enough of a grab of the lashes. So as you will see in the video, I was using my fingers to press my lashes onto the adhesive. But that's fine. It all depends on your lashes really, doesn't it? And then you've got lash pads then, and in here you've got a selection of different type of pads that you apply to the tops of your lashes. I'll just show you one of them. So with adhesive, you stick it to the top of your eye like that, close to the lash line as possible, and on the back there it has information what each pad does and a recommendation as well. So I went for the most dramatic lift, which is S. Now I went for S initially because I thought it was the smallest one, but no, it's not. It's all to do with the lift. So yeah, I only found that out afterwards, but never mind. Then you've got the adhesive glue, and then you'll see here in little pots there, we've got the cleanser, the perming lotion, the fixing lotion, and a nourishment oil as well. Out of all these items, the only thing I would say that you might need more of is the cleanser, but there's plenty of perm lotion there, fixer, and the oil, and the adhesive as well. So yeah, that will last you a good few applications, but the cleanser you might run out of, but they say as long as you use an oil-free one, then it's fine. But yeah, so I hope you enjoy watching and you find it informative. I've just taken some photos of my naked lashes, and it's surprising how short they are, short and straight. In the photos they look like I've got hardly any eyelashes, so if this works, oh my word, I'm going to be telling the whole world. So the information on the back here is quite clear and it's laid out very well. You can see it's in steps, so I'm going to be going through it one by one. So using the cleanser, and I've got some pads here. I'm just going to clean the eye area just to make sure there's no residue or anything on my lashes. Next I've got to pick a lift pad size. These are the little pads. Then apply a good amount of adhesive to the back of the pad. Wait 30 seconds, then place the pad as close to your lash line as possible. Hold in place for 30 seconds. They are all numbered so they're easy to pair. You've got small, medium, large, and there's a few other different sizes in there as well. Let's try small. Yeah, has to be small. Alright then, so what have I got to do again? So I'm going to apply the adhesive to the back of this pad, wait for 30 seconds and then apply it to my eyelid. I'm dyslexic, so left, right, up, down, side to side is a little bit confusing for me. It's just silly, so I've got to make sure I'm doing it the right way. Yeah, that's right, so that's the back. Okay then, it's a tiny little one there. So it is taking a little while to apply it. I think that's enough. Right, wait 30 seconds. Right, this is going to be a little bit tricky, so I'm going to zoom you in a little bit and hopefully you'll be able to see what I'm doing. I've got to place it on my eyelid as close to my lash line as possible. I'm going to have to do this with both hands. I'll be back. And now I've got to hold that in place for 30 seconds. My eyes are so small, it can't stick down properly in the inner corners. It's fine if I'm looking down, but if I look up, my eyes want to water. It's not uncomfortable, it just feels a little bit weird. Apply adhesive to the lash side of the pad, wait 30 seconds, then use the lash comb to fix. No point going all the way up because, as we know, my lashes are super tiny. Perm lotion, cotton bud. Right now. It's not overpowering, it's just like a smelly fart sort of smell. Right then, so I have got to apply, what did it say? Apply a line of perm lotion along the lower half of the lashes. Now that's going to be hard because this cotton bud is probably longer than my actual lashes. Right, and then I've got to leave the top, so, and do them afterwards. So I've just got to press it in there then, shall I? It says apply it to the root. That's easier, just pressing it like that. Rightio. Oh my gosh, I need to breathe. Then I've got to cover it in cling film. How do I cover my eye in cling film? Press that on there maybe? Make it stick. Okay, looking gorgeous. I've got to wait now. It says 12 to 15 minutes depending on lash thickness. Ooh, I don't know. Should I just leave 8 minutes? No, I'll do 10. I'll do 10. Okay, so what's the time now? I'll do 10 and then I'll be back. I'm not going to do the other eye until afterwards because I won't be able to see everything. Just got to apply the fix lotion exactly the same as where I applied the perm. Oh, I keep putting it on my thing. Then cover that with cling film and leave for 8 minutes this time. If you can hear someone talking in the background, apologies. It's my husband. He's doing work things and it's quite loud. But anyway, hopefully you can hear me okay. So now I'm going to take it all off by using this cleanser. Oh, gosh, it gets so hot. So I've got to make sure all the lotion and fixer is off. Clean those lashes. And then pull this off. Gently. Ooh, oh gosh, that feels so good. That feels so good. And then just clip. Ooh, I can notice a difference already. Oh, I wasn't expecting that at all. Right. I'll just finish cleaning around my eyes. I can't believe that. I was expecting a complete and utter fail. Look! The difference. I don't know if you can see sideways. And they're quite even. Oh my word. Right then, next is another step. Apply the Nourish lotion and comb your lashes. So we've got Nourish lotion. I'm just going to apply it with my fingers. I am super, super impressed. Super impressed. I 100% thought it was going to be a fail. I can't believe you can actually see I've got lashes. I thought that my lashes are going to be way too short, and I was going to get in touch with the company and say, look, I know this kit is supposed to help short, straight lashes, but mine are just too straight or too short for the kit. But no, look. Yes, they are teeny tiny. I know, they are really teeny tiny. But hopefully now with mascara, it'll be okay. Right then, I'm going to do the other eye and then I'll come back. So I've finished the other eye and I've applied a little bit of makeup just so that I'm feeling a little bit more like myself. I am really shocked more than anything. I honestly didn't think it would work. Even the second eye I was thinking, nah, it's not going to work. It's not going to work. But I have got lashes. I can see them. Look, I can see them. Yes, they're still teeny tiny. This kit isn't going to grow lashes, it's just going to lift them. I can't wait to put mascara on them to see what they are like. Now there are a few things that I got wrong, which I'll go into in a little while, but I just wanted to read you the aftercare. So it says here, do not get lashes wet for the first 24 hours. Try to be gentle with your lashes. No eye makeup and lotions for the first 24 hours. Avoid waterproof mascara and other harsh products. Daily use of an eyelash serum conditioner. And it says to wait 4 weeks before doing it all again. So yeah, the things that I got wrong then. Oh my word, I feel such a fool, such a fool. It wasn't until I was putting the lift pads back in the box that I realised there's some information on the back. Look, you know I told you that the lift pads come in different sizes and you've got like small, medium, large, etc. Look at that information. I'll just read it to you. I assumed small meant for small eyes. No. Small meant for dramatic lift, which in all honesty I would have gone for anyway, because if I was going to do any of them I would have chosen the most dramatic lift possible, so that's fine, but it's nothing to do with eye shape. Oh. And then it goes down then to tight, standard, soft and natural. So it all depends on your lashes, because obviously if you've got really thick, long lashes and you went for a dramatic lift, you know, I'd imagine that to be quite uncomfortable. But anyway, you may need to trim the sides of the pads to fit if they are too big. Now that is what I'm going to do next time I do this. So I'm going to wait 4 weeks, obviously, as it says, I have to wait, but I am going to trim them because I did find that when I was applying the adhesive, the middles of my eyelashes stuck really, really well, but the outer corners were lifting a little bit. If I had trimmed the pads down a little bit, it would have just been a neater fit on my lids, and then I think I would have been able to get an extra lift then, just in the corners. Overall, I am super impressed, as you can tell, with this kit. This is a first impressions video. As I said at the start, I haven't had a look at any other reviews because I just wanted to do it quite naturally. I didn't want to have any information about the products except for what I've read on their website, and besides a bit of a mess up with the pads, everything else was quite easy to follow. So yeah, really, really simple, and it took about an hour altogether, I'd say. I do feel I'd be able to do it without any stress whatsoever next time, and I can't wait to do it next time because I'm going to cut those pads down to see if I can get more of a lift. Please let me know if you've tried this kit before. I'd love to hear what you thought of it, etc. So please comment down below. So thank you to Diablo for sending it out to me to try, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.